there's that sheep there. See the one right in front of the camera? For some reason, it makes me laugh. It's so tall compared to the others. Just watches. Just watching me. Hi! Still watching. Still watching. Oh, it looked away. The cow that's in there, she was found upside down in the silage feeder yesterday morning. Was it yesterday morning?
No. 3 or 4 days ago.
Oh, 3 or 4 days ago, and it didn't look like she was going to make it. But she seems to be doing really well now. And this, the sheep over there, see the one with the woolly face that's there? That one makes me laugh. Look at her. What did you say she was, Wayne?
Dexter.
A Dexter. I like her. See her? Oh. Can't really see them because they're all eating. I'll show you these ones though. How beautiful is that? Ruby red cross. Seven.
Put a handlebars on her. Yarla, proper handlebars.
Hey, beautiful.
Jersey cross, keep on the road one of her sisters.
Oh, that's not nice. Perhaps it's a not dominance thing. Hold your arm, babes.
There's a female. That's all.
Oh, look, there's that curly one again.
Cracking beast here, like.
Lovely. Okay. There's the baby. There. Oh, shit. Okay, this is the bit where we're supposed to try and stay on our feet. Okay. Just want to see the baby. There's a ram in here that does tend to knock you off of your feet, apparently. Oh, that's a funny looking sheep there. What a peculiar breed. Hi. Okay, so we're trying to avoid the one with the big horns that I haven't actually seen yet. But look at the lamb. Sheep really do have different faces. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. It's tiny. Oh my gosh. I've never seen anything so cute. Nala and Primrose and Fluffy. She needs some love. Nala needs some love. Nala! She's, you know, ever since she had that thing when she went in the what do you call it? The lagoon. She's just been funny since then, hasn't she?
If you spent like treading water in. Good. Very good.
Oh, they're not feeling friendly.
Come on, girls.
Hey, pigs! Pickles!
Come on, Pickles. Hello, big pig.
Hi!
Where's Pickle? Come on, Pickle. Go on, Pickle. Hello, Pickle.
Hello, babies. Hi.
Pickle. Pickle ears. Pickle ears.
They're quite long haired, aren't they, this breed? What are they?
Tamworth Cross Sandy Black.
Hmm.
Tamworth's quite long anyway. Pickle.
Wayne's favourite pig.
Pickle's a runty litter.
Yeah, she's lovely though, isn't she?
She
Doesn't look very runty though, does she? I know.
There's old Big Pig.
Hey, Big Pig!
Big Pig gets a scratch.
Big Pig's got piggy eyes. Hey, we need to get some more.
I need to make the stock trailer first.
Okay.
And to make the stock trailer, I need a welder.
Right, let's take the dog for a little wander whilst we're here. This cow's a little bit poorly. And doesn't seem to be able to get up very easily. It's been poorly since it was born. So Wayne's just lifted it up so it's not laying in its own poop. And so it's going to build up its muscles. Should we go see the puppies? Hey, George. Oh. So it got, is it hot water? Hi, Cookie. Hello, baby. What are you up to? Hi, Aya's Cupquake. Hello, baby. It's really not tasty. Woolly Baba. Oh, who's this? Hello. Hello, newbie. Hi. Yes, very good.
Oh, she wants to zap your fingers.
I've got no milk, sweetheart. I wonder if she's been fed yet. Here's lucky. This is going to be our Eastermas dinner. Get off my trousers, you. Hi, puppies. Hi. Hi, puppies. Oh my God.